Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can scan QR code in Android. So to start, I recommend that you open your camera, then go into the camera settings and check if the camera options or preferences allow for the automatic QR code scanning. So on some devices it is built into the camera, so you will not even need to separately switch this feature on, and on other devices you'll need to explicitly enable the feature. As you can see here, I do not have any such feature, which most probably means that the camera should automatically recognize the QR codes. So let's go ahead and test that assumption. So as you can indeed see, the QR code has been scanned successfully. You can also, if neither of the aforementioned conditions are true in your case, so you do not have the scan QR code option in the camera settings, and once you point your camera at the QR code, it doesn't get recognized or processed properly, most probably you will need to open Google Lens. So, I have Google Pixel, so actually not sure if I can even switch it on, or most probably it is built into the camera. But to be honest with you, I'm not sure. Let me just open the app search, and maybe separately I will have the Google Lens app. Nope. Most probably it is built into my camera, so yeah. In this particular scenario, Google Pixel is definitely not the best example. But once again, if you will be able to access Google Lens on your particular device, open it, point the Google Lens's camera onto the QR code, and somewhere below the viewfinder, or below the picture preview, should I say, you'll see what this QR code actually stands for. Should it contain a link, it will be shown there, displayed there, so you will be able to tap on that link, and so on. Anyway, another method that can work for you is to open the control panel. So swipe downwards from the right half of your status bar, then collapse the control panel here and look for the QR code scanner tile. So in my case, as you can clearly see, it is built into the standard control panel layout, so I will not even need to additionally look for it anywhere. But if you won't find the QR code scanner here, try opening the control panel edit and interface, then scroll down to the unused tiles list, and somewhere here, once again, you should be able to find the QR code scanner. Once this tile is found, simply add it to the list of used tiles, and you are golden from here. Let me quickly show how to use the QR code scanner. As you can see, it has a very simple and straightforward interface, and it will work just exactly the same as the camera did. It will just immediately, or it at least should immediately, recognize the QR code and direct you to whatever link it leads you to. And as far as this video goes, that will be more or less it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.